Hi, boys and girls. This is going to be a lesson over sequencing. Now, I know the image that you see on your screen is kind of blurry, and I'm sorry about that. What we're going to do is we're going to read this passage, and we're going to look for those words that give us clues that tell us the order of when something is happening, because that's what it means, the word sequence. It means the order. So we're going to look at this article, and I'm going to point out the words that show the order of what is happening. So let's get started. I'm going to read it first and then we'll go back. Whitney is going on a field trip to the zoo. The bus arrives at school to pick up the students. At the zoo, the students have to buy tickets to get in the gate. The first thing Whitney sees are the elephants. She feeds them peanuts. Next, Whitney sees the lions. There are 3 lions in the den. Then Whitney walks to see the giraffes. Whitney gets to pet the giraffe's long neck. This is her favorite part of the day. After, Whitney eats lunch. She packed a jelly sandwich. Finally, it is time to go back to school. So I don't know if you picked up on these words, but there were so many words that I noticed while reading this that gave me clues of the order of events that Whitney went through today. So let's read the first sentence. Whitney is going on a field trip to the zoo. That one doesn't tell us when she's going or anything else that she's doing. The bus arrives at school to pick up the students. At the zoo, the students have to buy tickets to get in the gate. The first thing Whitney sees are the elephants. So right there, they say the first thing. So that word first tells me that it's the first thing she's doing. So I want you to take note of that. And anytime that you're reading and you see the word first, or they're saying first, this is what we did, or the first thing Whitney sees are the elephants. That is a clue that they are giving you sequencing words. She feeds them peanuts. Next, right there, they tell us, again, they're going to tell us the order of what they're doing. Next, Whitney sees the lions. So we know the first thing she sees are the elephants. Next, she sees the lions. There are 3 lions in the den. Then, right there, that tells us next. After she saw the lions, she walks to see the giraffes. Whitney gets to pet the giraffe's long neck. This is her favorite part of the day. After, Whitney eats lunch. She packed a jelly sandwich. Finally, that tells us the last thing she did. It is time to go back to school. So we've marked the words first, next, then, after, and finally. And these are all words that we will see when we are working on sequencing. And you are actually going to have an assignment where you are going to tell me how to get ready in the morning. You're going to tell me what you do. Now, I know that we all have a different routine in the morning. Some of us might wake up and eat breakfast immediately. Some of us might wake up and brush our teeth immediately. There are all different kinds of ways that we get ready in the morning. So all of us will probably have a different answer, but we all have the same assignment. And I want you to use those sequencing words like first, next, then, after, and finally.